Firstly, it's important to consider the type of equipment needed. Basic setups may include machines for rendering, filtering, and packaging. High-quality stainless steel equipment tends to be more expensive but offers durability and ease of cleaning, which is essential for food safety. Additionally, another factor influencing price is the scale of production. Small-scale operations might opt for simpler, less expensive machinery, while larger businesses require industrial-grade equipment capable of handling high volumes. Customization options, such as specific dimensions or added functionalities, when purchasing, it's advisable to compare quotes from different suppliers and consider long-term value rather than just upfront costs. Some manufacturers offer packages that include installation, training, and maintenance services. Ultimately, investing in the right chicken fat processing equipment can significantly impact the success of your business. By balancing budget with functionality and quality,